So it's time to learn our digraph sound of the week. Remember, a digraph is 2 letters that make just one sound. So let's have a look at all of the digraph sounds that we've learnt so far. Be ready? So this one is ch, ch for chew. And the caterpillar made the horse sneeze with his tickly hairs. Ch, ch, chew. Thank you, said the princess in the tower to the horse because he rescued her. Thank you. Shh, said the horse to the hissing snake who was trying to sleep. Shh. I. Now I is actually a trigraph sound, so it's 3 letters that make one sound. I. Fly high. They're flying the kites. Can you remember this sound? E. What can you see? E. Can you remember this one? A. May I play? A. Who can remember this one? Well done. I think I stink. A thing on a string. And last week we learnt the sound O. Blow the snow. O. Blow the snow. And last week you had a go at reading all of these words. But this week I would like you to learn a different sound. Here it comes. This is the sound oo. Can you see that? Oo. It's 2 letters that make one sound. Oo. Can you see which letters? An O and another O. But we don't say O, we say ooh. And on the back it's a picture. And look, it's a picture of a man. And this man is holding a spade and a brush and a bucket. I wonder where he works. He has a word on his jumper. Shall we see? Z. Ooh, zoo. Do you think he works at the zoo? Yeah, what do you think his job might be at the zoo? I can see a word on his bucket. Shall we have a look? It might be a clue. Ooh, poo? Why has he got poo written on his bucket? Do you think that might be his job? He has to shovel up all the poo and sweep all of the poo at the zoo. At the top I can see a sign that says elephants and there's an arrow. Do you think he's on his way to pick up all of the elephant poo? Yeah. Does he look happy about that or sad? He does look a bit sad. I imagine it's a bit of a smelly job picking up lots of elephant poo. At the bottom it says poo, poo, at, the, zoo, poo, at, the, zoo. Can you say that? Poo at the zoo. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Ooh. Very good. Now you should have a worksheet that looks like this at home, or it should be part of your learning pack if you've had that from school. And on your worksheet is the sound oo, and there's the man, and there it says poo at the zoo. And these are the words I would like you to practice reading this week. So we'll have a go at reading these together. And if you have a highlighter pen, you could highlight the ooh sounds that you can find, or you could draw a line underneath. So let me get my highlighter pen. Oops. Okay. I think I'll use yellow today. Let's have a look at the first word. Okay. So the first word is the word ooh, two. So we need to highlight the ooh sound. Ooh, two. Have a look at the next one. Z, ooh, zoo. Can you highlight the ooh sound? Z, ooh, zoo. Fantastic. Have a look at the next one. So the next one is, I think I've got that one on mine. The next one is food. Food. So can you highlight with your pen the ooh sound? Food. Food. Now the next one is ooh, ooh, pool, like a swimming pool. Can you highlight the ooh sound or draw a line underneath? Can you have a go at reading it? Pool, pool. Great job. Now the next word starts with ooh, oon, moon. Great job. Can you highlight the ooh sound on yours? Moon. Fantastic. Now the next word, it's right at the bottom here. Can you see the ooh sound anywhere? Right in the middle. Let's highlight that one. Shall we read it together? Spoon, spoon, spoon. Fantastic. What a great job you've done. I think that's all of them that is. So have a go at practicing these words this week. You could have a practice at writing them too if you want, or you could make them out of Play-Doh, or you could write a list and stick it on your fridge to learn, or you could make the word out of fridge magnets, or maybe if you've got sponges in your bath, letter sponges, you could make the word with those. You could do whatever you want, even paint them. But have a go at practicing those words, and I will see you next week for our new Digraph sound. Bye!